Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to change of account in a Playstore. So this is an easy process to do. The only thing you need to do is go to Playstore, and here in Playstore you need to go to the superior right corner in the bubble of your profile. And here the only thing you need to do is go here pick here in the arrow in the bottom in the right side of the part where you got your account, your principal account. So you need to pick here, and like you see, you got another email. This is the another account. You pick here, and that email, the account with this email is open. You pick here, and the account is changed. You need to pick in accept, and that's it. You accept the terms of service, and you got that account activated. So this is the process. And if you want to change again to the principal account, you do the same thing. Pick here, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.